Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here, navigate all the way to the bottom to System. From here, select Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Give it a moment and it will show you all the data that will be removed by this process, which includes things like music, photos, and user data. Now this is the more important ones. The first ones that are listed there are the ones that you don't really care about, like system and app data, downloaded apps, and your Google accounts. Who gives a shit about those? The ones that matter is the last three options. Now additionally, you might also see some apps listed right here, along with accounts listed right here. So those will be all signed out, removed from the phone itself, and that's about it. Now you can back up your device, and usually you have the option to back it up using, for instance, something like the Google Cloud backup, but I will always be against that. I don't recommend ever using the cloud backup, as that is not a very complete backup. That's number one. And number two, it's basically done to the cloud, which means you don't have control over your own data, really. The data is also being used most likely to train the super smart AIs, great, which in turn basically means that whatever data you back up is permanently preserved and remembered by Gemini, for instance. And I personally don't like that. There's no reason why you should ever allow your data to be backed up and used for something like that, and you do by just using it, the cloud backup. So I will always tell you that if you're not getting paid for your data, you should not be giving it to people. For as long as Google will just want that shit for free, they can go screw themselves, and they can pay you like everyone else does for them. So that's my opinion. And to back up your device, you can do it much better, much easier, and much faster by just grabbing a cable, plugging it to your computer, and backing it up that way. That gives you full control over your own data. No one else has access to it. It's there permanently because there are laws that prevent companies from keeping your data for an extensive period of time for no reason. Now, that basically means that if you don't use your data for the foreseeable, I think 2 or 3 years, I don't remember exactly how many, it was one of those two, I think, the company, aka for instance Google, needs to delete it. Now, that seems to be a very kind of garbage design, because they're going to use your data to train AI, which will remember it, but not really in a way that you can clearly access it. But then you, if you need it past that 3-year mark, you definitely don't have access to it, because it supposedly no longer exists, apart from the fact that the Gemini knows everything about it. But it no longer exists for you. So that's why I recommend backing it up to your computer. As long as your disk, SSD or hard drive don't fail you, that data will be there for as long as that disk operates. And obviously it's not accessible to anyone else for now. Let's be honest, Microsoft is on the warpath to basically also gobble up all their information. But for as long as that's not really happening, your data is yours, it's secure, and it's there for as long as you want it to be there. So anyway, that's what I recommend doing. Now I'm going to select Erase All Data. There is one little thing. If you have a screen lock on your device, between first click and the second click of Erase All Data, you will need to confirm your screen lock. That'd be PIN, pattern, or password. And once you do, you will see this page. From here, click on Erase All Data second time, and it will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take probably 2 minutes to finish up, give or take, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.